morning and welcome back to my channel. Today it's my 13th day of practicing English, and today it's also 15th of August. I wish all my fellow countrymen a very happy Independence Day. And today I woke up at around 5:25 a.m. Guys, and that's very pleasant thing for me, waking up early in the morning, because whenever I wake up early in the morning, I get some more time to practice my English, to record my video, or I get some more time to think my blog, how I make my blog, how I will practice my English. I get some more time. I get more free time, in which I can think about myself. I can think my progress of English. So today I woke up at 5:25 a.m. and now it's let me see the time. Now it's 6:32 a.m. And when I woke up in the morning, then today I didn't brush my teeth. Guys, why I didn't brush my teeth at that time? uh, I I I think that if I brush my teeth at that time, it may disturb my family member who are still asleep, because I brush my teeth at a wash basin which is located in front of our main room, in front of our main rooms door, just outside that main room's door. So if I brush my teeth there, then it may make sound, and which might disturb my family member. That's why I think that I will brush my teeth after some time, it around after 6:30 or 7 a.m. And now in today's video, I'm not going to talk about any story or any grammar. uh, Today I will only describe my today's routine, my today's planning, whatever I want to do today, today on 15th August. Today is 15th August. So what I have planned to do in this day. Today is 15th August. So today we are going to worship our God, Boro Baba. বড় বাবা বড় বাবার মন্দিরে যাই না, বড় বাবা শনি দেবতা বলে। ঠিক আছে, বড় বাবা টুডে উই আর গোয়িং টু ওরশিপ আওয়ার বড় বাবা. So and we will go at around 8:30 to 9 a.m. after taking bath. And now I'm here on our rooftop, and the weather is pleasant, cool and calm. And now I was practice my English for some time. After waking up on rooftop inside the kitchen, I was practicing my English, and now I'm recording my video, you can see, guys. And today I'm going to tell you that how our day will going on, whatever we are going to do. Today it's 15th August, and my son is will go to his school, and there will be a in an Independence Day celebration at his school, and my son is going to go there and hoist our flag, and we are going to worship our Lord Boru Baba outside a temple outside of our house, and it it's said that today, no, sorry, it's last Saturday of Sravan Mas, and uh, my elder sister said me that it's very beneficial to worship Boru Baba at this Saturday, on this Saturday, last Saturday of Sravan Mas. So we are going to worship Boro Baba, and after returning from there, we will celebrate our Independence Day as our planning. And I have thought that today I will dress my daughter in a Independence Day outfit, and we will host our Independence Day, we will hoist our flag at our house, and uh, after that we will make some special dish for today, and today we will not have any any non-veg. We will have veg food, because today we are going to worship Boro Baba. That's why today we will have veg food, and we will make. That's why we will make some veg dishes, and that's all for today. Because my video is getting longer, it's already 7:25 minutes longer video, so I'm ending my video right here. I hope you will mm, you will practicing your English, and you will be safe and fit and healthy. I will be here. um, I will be to you in my next video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye bye.